Part 2. What are the types of relative pronouns? Number 1, qui, que, ou, and dont. We already know that pronouns are used to replace nouns to avoid repetition. A relative pronoun does the same job of avoiding repetition along with bringing precision. Qui, que, ou, dont. Each relative pronoun must be replacing something by bringing precision. Now let's see what they replace and what precision they bring along. So, pronoun relative 1 of 4, qui. Qui replaces the subject in a sentence. For example, la fille qui parle est ma sœur. If you look into the origin of this sentence, the word la fille is the subject and has been repeated. So, to join these two sentences, we should use a relative pronoun to avoid repetition and to bring precision. Pronoun relative 2 of 4. Que. Que replaces the direct object. In French, we call it COD or complément d'objet direct. In this example, les documents que j'ai mis sur la table sont pour toi. In the origin of this sentence, les documents is the direct object, hence they are replaced with pronom relatif que. Les documents sont pour toi. J'ai mis les documents sur la table. Pronom relatif 3 of 4. Ou. Ou remplace un complément de lieu ou place. In English, we can say that an object which replaces a place or a moment. Example with complement of place. Let's see the example. Regarde, c'est l'entreprise où je travaille. Here, the enterprise is the complement of the place enterprise and it is replaced by the pronoun relative où. Travaille. Regarde l'entreprise. Je travaille dans cette entreprise. Now, example with the complement of time. In this example, à l'époque où j'ai habité en Suisse, j'ai fait beaucoup de ski. Here, à l'époque refers to back then or at that point in time in English, and où replaces the time. And pronoun relative 4 of 4, dont. Here comes the so-called, the complicated pronoun relative dont. However, it need not be one. I'm going to explain the basics of this pronoun relative and we would be having an exclusive episode for this pronoun relative dont. So do not worry about it. Now, the example. Le livre dont je cherche le nom est de Stephen Hawking. The origin of the sentence. Le livre est de Stephen Hawking. Je cherche le nom de ce livre. And here, dont replaces the complement of the preposition de. And the origin of the sentence is le livre est de Stephen Hawking. Je cherche le nom de ce livre. Please bear with me. More details are available in the part 2 of this series.